created a new hero image for my blog that's done on Ghost.io. I'm going to show you how to upload that new hero image to your site design. So let me share my screen, just quick, easy video. So first thing you do, I'm logged in here, brand new site. I'm going to go down here to settings, and then I'm going to go over here to design and branding. And then I'm going to click on customize. And then you've got publication cover right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then, whoops, gonna hover over, delete it, upload cover, blog hero image. Let's go to downloads. Now it's uploading for me there. Great. Okay, and then I'm going to click save. And now I'm done. That's it. Now I've got a new hero image for my blog. Thanks so much, and we'll catch you in the next video.